Hello everyone, Ray from Babco here. How often should somebody maintain a power unit? Well, this is going to be very quick because these are pretty much maintenance free. There's nothing to do with a motor, of course, an electric motor. When you do your weeklies, monthlies perhaps, or especially the annuals, leaks will be found and discovered. They show up because they're leaks. But you have hydraulic fluid in here. How often does the hydraulic fluid need to be changed? Honestly, we can consider it to be lifetime stuff. I've seen lifts with 35 years service, and we take them apart because they're being moved, and that hydraulic oil is reused. It doesn't break down, it doesn't get hot. The duty cycle of a power unit is about 30 seconds. So it's not like it's running a pump here and the fluid is really doing a lot of work. It's doing very little. These reservoirs have a dipstick in them to let you know what the level is at. We use ATF exclusively for all of our lifts. That's automatic transmission fluid, and the ATF we use is Dexron 3 because it's the cheapest. These things really will run on pretty much any hydraulic fluid. You can use an AW 46 or 32 or ISO 20. Seriously, they don't really care. The only thing with ATF is if it does cavitate, it tends to foam a little bit. You got to wait for it to come down. But when you first install these things, you fill it up, you run it, you bleed it, you come back down, you let it sit there, you top it up. That's pretty much the end of maintenance for your power unit. There's not a lot to do for maintenance on your power unit.